मुकडे सगळे आंकडे हा स्पीकर सर. इवन गोवा माइल्स which is operating at 20% less कितले इनकम रेवेन्यू आसा मुद्दम सोबतच्या आधी रेलेव्हंट
अरे हे 15 मिनिटे उलयले मत म्हाका इंसान दी तो डायवर्ट कोता
मातशे बोस मागीर तुका प्रश्न विचारपाक गरज पडपा हांव आन्सर केल्यार तुका हांवें उलोवपाक दिल्लें तुवें व्हडलें लांब भाशण दिल्लें. स्पीकर सर मुद्दम सांगता इन इयर 2018-19 स्टार्ट जालें तेन्ना GST जे फारीक करताले and these are only 2000 taxis was 39.9 lakhs and in this year 25-26 4.25 crore GST फारीक करता. Total turnover 89.35 crore and from 2018-19 25-26 it is turnover of 307 crore, only one Goa miles which is one platform. Therefore if you include all the taxis, imagine how much revenue you are actually losing. Nothing is accounted. दुसरे मुद्दाम सांगता हिंगा income of beneficiaries, this is real time figures. Their income used to be around 15,000, 20,000 taxi fellows. Since they are using app, and I can give you the names, जे मुट्टा सगळे भायले I full list काढला सगळे गोंयकार जावन आसा गोंयचो टॅक्सी पात्रांव स्कीम.
दुसरे
let me speak
मुखारान उलोवपाना
let me speak. अरे
13 मिनिटां
I am quoting this so that he has information, enough information. ऐकपाकूच रेडी ना.
अरे इतले ऐकले मरे
परिस्थिती आसपा जाय.
इतले ऐकले
लीडर ऑफ पोजिशन ऑपोजिशन म्हणून फक्त उलयत रावप न्हू सगळे विशयाचेर उलयत राव दुसऱ्यान उलोवप ना. स्पीकर सर हांव मुद्दाम सांगता more than 1.2 crore passengers travel, local people travel. This is a real fact. हे आमकडे डेटा आसा. That means 15% of our population are using Goa miles. दुसरे तेंकडे वेगळे वेगळे स्कीम आसा ते हांव तुका जाय जाल्यार मागीर सांगता. Then out of 2000 drivers, if their income exceeds 5 lakhs, more than starting from financial year 20, more than 2000 taxi drivers will now contribute income tax on every trip they perform through Goa Miles platform. This means that income tax will be collected from all active drivers on each trip. This will happen if you get a digital platform, even if it is common here. Only 2 operators are there. What they don't want is to, Speaker sir, tenka naka amka kodlale sarkara.
Speaker sir,
you will be surprised the quantum of business that taxis generate in Goa. They don't want to come because they don't want to be accountable. That is the thing. But luckily, Speaker sir, luckily in the last meeting, I also want to compliment. I also want to compliment the taxi drivers. They were quite positive. Their attitude must change. They want to cooperate with the government. I want to tell them. I have reached out to them. I will reach out further. We are also willing to cooperate. Let this committee, which I have appointed, 5-member committee, let them give the report and finding. And then if they have better suggestions other than the findings of the committee, leader of opposition or leader of position and other people can give, we will incorporate them. What is the problem, Speaker sir?